Recording in progress.
October, November 21, paper 122210 computer science. Let us start. Question number 1. Denary is a number system that is used by programmers. Tick one box to show whether the denary is base 2, base 10, or base 16. So this is base basically 10. So this is denary. Denary is also called decimal. Remember that. So this is base 10. Hexadecimal values can be used to represent denary values. Convert these 4 hexadecimal values into denary values. What basically happens if we have got hexadecimal values, then we have to convert these to 4 bits first, each. Let's say A is 10, B is 11. So 8, 9, 10, 11, and 8, 9, 10, this is 10. Now we will actually put all these together in single byte. And then we will add 128 plus 32 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1. That is 19, 1, 169. So this is AB of base 16 is equal to 169 of denary base 10. So that is how we will cover it. So we have to convert it to denary values. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 8. So this is basically denary 5. Then 2, 0. So 1, 2, 4, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So this is 32 of base 10. 1A, 1, 2, 4, 8, and 1, 2, 4, 8. So this is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. 8 and 16, 24, and 2, 26. So this is 26 base 10. Then we have got AB. We have solved it over here. So this is 1. It's not 169. This is 171. This is 171, by the way. This is 171. I solved it wrong. So this is 171. Okay. So that is how you will solve it. You have to answer just in denary. Okay. Now hexadecimal values can also be converted to binary values. Okay. Tick one box to show correct 8-bit binary value for each hexadecimal value. 25. So we have got 5 and 2. So this is not 5 and 2. This is 5 and 2. So this is our answer. This one is 5 and 1. This one is 5 and 2. This one is 1 and 8. So this is 25, the middle one. Okay. 0010 0101. Hexadecimal 1B. So this is 1. This is 8, 9, 10, 11. This is 1B. This one is 1, and this is 8, 9, 10, 11, B1. This one is 1, 2, 4, 8. This is A, and this is 1A. So 1B is this one. Give one way the hexadecimal is used in website development. So this can be used for HTML colors. This can be used for other messaging. Remember that error 404 thing. So it is used to denote HTML colors codes. Give one way the hexadecimal is used in low-level programming. For actually addresses, you can write the whole low-level assembly language instructions in hexadecimal code, memory locations or addresses, error messages, what else? That's it. So we can write assembly language instruction in hexadecimal code. We can write memory addresses. Okay. A train company wants to install a self-service ticket machine system for its train stations. When the customer has purchased their tickets, the machine will provide a paper ticket. One output device that is used in the ticket machine is a display screen. Identify one other device that is used, yes, in the ticket machine system. Obviously, second one would be printer. It can be a speaker. It can be a fluctuating LED light. And that's it. So now, the train company does not want user to use a keyboard or mouse to enter their data when buying tickets. The company is worried that they may be stolen or get too dirty. Identify two other input devices. Obviously, this is one of the devices is touch screen. Identify one other input device that would be suitable for use in ticket machine system to allow user to enter their data. That is touch screen. That is yes. Rayan Faisal says microphone. That can be barcode reader. That can be QR code reader, QR scanner. Magnetic card reader. That's it. Now, question number 3. 6 statements are given about methods of data transmission. Tick to show if each statement applies to serial, simplex, parallel, half duplex, or serial duplex transmission. Some statements may apply to more than one data transmission methods. Okay, so first of all, let's revise. If it is sender A and this is B, this is receiver, then if only one can send to the other, this is simplex. If A can send to B and B can send to A, but one at a time, this is half duplex. If A can send data to B and B can send data to A, both at the same time, parallel, it is called full duplex or just duplex. Now, if these wires are basically, it is a single wire, then it is basically serial. But if these are multiple wires, then it is called parallel communication. So let's see what it says. Bits are transmitted along a serial wire. So this is serial simplex, serial duplex. Data is transmitted in both directions. So this is half duplex, this is full duplex. It is only suitable for distances less than 5 meters. So this is parallel simplex. This it is only suitable for distances less than 5 meters, and parallel half duplex. In parallel, since data get muddled up, it gets skewed. You cannot send the data over long distances, because if several electrons are flowing together and they are actually being sent over a larger distance, more than 5 meters, then electrons jump. When electrons jump, data gets changed. It gets muddled up or skewed. So that is why we cannot use parallel for longer than 5 meters. Now, bits from the same byte are transferred one after the other. So this is serial and serial. Serial simplex, serial duplex. Over the serial wire, when one bit is being sent and it is traveling along the line, no other bit can be sent. So once that bit has traveled down to the receiver, receiver sends OK signal, receive signal, confirms, then the next bit will go. Data may not arrive in the correct sequence. So that is basically both parallel, because data will be skewed. Data is transmitted in both directions, but only one direction at a time. So this is basically parallel, but half duplex. Okay, so this was a bit confusing. Only this part was something which was different than what we have studied in the books. Okay, a USB, a universal serial bus USB connection can be used to transmit data from a mobile device to a computer. Give 3 benefits of using a USB connection for this purpose. From computer to mobile, it can charge mobile device. When mobile device is connected, mobile device will be detected automatically. Data can travel without corruption as it is serial. In serial, I told you that one bit at a time is transferred. Different USB versions on both ports can be used. What Ryan says, it is faster. So that is actually not confirmed if it is faster. Over one side it is USB-A and over other side it is USB-C, then how come the data will be faster? Data will not be faster. Do not go by marking schemes always. Sometimes you need to put your own mind in it. Okay. That's it. Now, question number 4. The paragraph explains the operation of different touch screen technologies. Complete the paragraph using the list of terms. Not all the terms in the list need to be used. Capacitive, change, circuit, conductive, coordinates, grid, heat, infrared, insulating, light, manufacture, pressure, resistive. In dash touch screen technology, an electrostatic field is present. This is capacitive. Is present on the surface. The dash properties of user, the conductive, capacitive we have used, the conductive properties of users cause a change in the field. The dash of user touch coordinates of user's touch can be calculated. In dash technology, a user pushes the top layer. So this is basically resistive. Resistive touch screen, a user pushes the top layer of the screen and makes it connect with the bottom layer to complete a circuit. This type of touch screen is too cheaper to manufacture. All right, so this was self-descriptive. You have to actually use proper words here. Question number 5, Sammy works for a finance company and has a laptop that he uses for his work. He has a confidential data about his customers stored on his laptop. On his laptop, Sammy does not connect the laptop to any networks. Sammy is concerned about his customers' confidential data being viewed by other people in his office. One method that he uses to prevent other views is data encryption. Identify 3 other methods Sammy could use to prevent his data confidentiality. Okay, so this might be username, passwords. It could be biometrics. It could be two-step verification. Remember what is two-step verification? When you enter your password, system sends a code or pin to your cell phone. Then you see that once you know you enter it over this computer, that computer then confirms that yes, it is you. There might be other ways for two-step verification, like in Google, they present you with shapes and numbers and all. So that is what is two-step verification. Sammy creates videos for the finance company website, always keeping the laptop with him. Yes, always keeping, yes, lock and key. Okay, physical lock and key. And keeping it secured with yourself. Okay, Sammy creates videos for the finance company website that gives customer advice about their finances. He uses lossy compression to reduce the file size for the videos of the website. Give 3 ways the lossy compression can reduce. Lossy compression, if you do remember from my previous lecture, whenever it is a case which is computer algorithm is doing, we will always be like a computer algorithm will be used, or a compression algorithm will be used in this case. compression algorithm will be used. Okay, resolution can be reduced per frame. Color depth can be reduced per frame. Sound sampling can be reduced. Remember, this is video. Can be reduced. Sound resolution, which we also call bit depth, can be reduced. That's it. Give one drawback of using lossy compression to reduce the file size of the videos. So that is basically data removed cannot be uh, data removed cannot be recovered, or you can use words like reconstructed, rediscovered, remade, things like that. And the video and audio quality is compromised. It gets reduced though. Sami could have used lossless compression to compress the videos for the website. Give one reason why he would use lossless compression rather than lossy compression for the video. So this is 5C1. Oh, sorry, 5C1, yes. 5C1. Rather than lossy compression. To maintain quality, video and audio quality, maybe file size reduction is not required. Just take one to maintain video quality. Give two disadvantages of semi using lossless compression rather than lossy compression. So if you do remember, the purpose of compression is to have these files stored over the storage in less space and they get transferred fast. So data transfer over the network or internet will be slower. File takes actual or more disk storage space. Use more internet data, or you can call bandwidth, etc. All right, a programmer can use translators such as interpreter and a compiler when developing computer programs. Give one similarity between a compiler and interpreter. They both translate high-level language into machine code. All right. Both check coding errors. They both check coding errors like syntax errors. That's it. Describe two differences between a compiler and interpreter. Compiler produces an independent and distributable executable file. Compiler reads or scans or translates whole code. Compiler does not stop when an error occurs. Now, interpreter scans and or translates code line by line. Interpreter executes the code. Interpreter is a virtual machine. Interpreter is a virtual machine. Interpreter stops as soon as there is an error. Okay, identify one other type of translator that is for assembly language called assembler.